Hi everyone, I'm going to show you this stop button of mine. Okay, there's no key barrel in the ignition, totally removed. That's the actual switch up there. Everything's off. This is the little fob that works with the immobiliser. I'm not going to show you where I've hid the transcoder for it. I'll just leave it somewhere. There you go. That light means it's activated. So you come up, push the button once, and that turns on my radio. Push it again, and it turns on your dash. Better turn that down. All my lights. Switch down the side here for my footlights. All you do is you put your foot on the brake pedal. Push it in. Deactivate, push your foot on the brake again. Job done. Hope you enjoyed that. Just showing you how it works.